Don't do it, guys. Don't place trades based on what you see here. Please consult your own financial advisors and do your own due diligence. All right, with that said, let's go. It is Wednesday, September 19th. Fairly quiet day today in the markets, just a little bit up, a little bit under 100 bucks, maybe $80 or something like that. Over on the day, I was up as much as a couple hundred, up to 35,940 and 97 cents, but then it was a slow deterioration here, but still managed to end up on the day, mostly because of these options. Time is working on my side with them, so doing good with that. EXK, my prized silver miner here, was up a percent and a third, which helped me with my options here. They ticked down, and excuse me, everything else stayed pretty flat. Emerging market had a tiny rebound here, my emerging market fund, although the Brazilian utility SIG went down another percent. Gas was down, real estate was down a little bit, some global stuff is a little bit down. Precious metals a tiny bit up, not really a big change. I need to look at where it's at right now, going into tomorrow. And right now at 9:27 p.m., it is at waiting, loading. Well, wow, that's loading. Uranium's also, my uranium stocks went up just a little bit. Um, URA though, the ETF had a little bit of a drop after hours here, as you can see. Not very healthy, but that's okay. It's still above $12. It looks like I will be collecting my collateral of $2,400 at the end of the week. Another interesting thing that happened today was JD. Okay, so back to the metals. Gold's up. Yeah, so it's up a couple dollars. So it's 12.10 right now. Silver at 14.36. So another interesting thing happened is that JD.com, the Chinese company that I had sold a put against, it went up like 4.5% today. So you know what happened is the option that I had and I sold for $18. Let's take a look at the history here. Um, Look, I sold it for $18 and just a couple of days later, it already went down to $1. So I just rebought it. I mean, I'm not gonna wait two more days for a dollar, right? So I got my money back, as you can see over here in my account. I got my 3K refunded. I don't no longer have to hold it as a collateral. So I'm Gucci, 17 free dollars from that one little move. It's not a mind-blowing amount, but if you manage to find these deals, if I manage to find these deals, I'm looking good. All right, if I can find one of those deals every week, that's pretty good income right there. So met my criteria, pulled the trigger, and now I have reaped the reward. In other news, the Ford put also deteriorating in value, which is great for me. I'm sorry, I sold the put for $18 and now it's at 6, so two-thirds of its value is gone. I'm going to wait the other 2 days here. I'm sorry, I'm going to wait a few more days or weeks and see if it can drop even more. I'm not going to rebuy it at this point. Um, Maybe if it drops a couple more dollars. I'm not really worried about Ford going under 9. Ford is sitting at 975 right now, so it's got a nice little cushion. It would have to be a big drop. But at some point, if it goes low and if it goes a few more bucks, I mean, I might as well get my money back and re-enter something else because there's no point in waiting a month for like $2, right? It's not very good math. Like you just unnecessary risk for $2. Like you can. So anyway, uh, I will rebuy that and get my collateral back at some point if this drops like below $5 at some point during the next few days. All right, on other fronts, we got what else is happening here? Um, Real estate down, oil is like a couple of my oil companies are flat-ish. OGS, I'm a big fan of this company. It's down 2.3%, but look at that 5-year chart. Isn't that thing beautiful? It's beautiful. this chart is just money. So I like it, you know, I'm doing it. OGS, one gas. We'll see though. Okay, well, I don't have any new trade ideas to share, and just wanted to give you an update as what happened. That JD put play was amazing. That was just the freest $17 I've ever earned, for 2 days, just 3 clicks. It was great. Really happy about that. I'm following some developments, but I don't want to talk about them yet. Maybe next time, but that'll be it for today. So I'm looking forward to another good day. By the way, I predicted today was going to be another continuation day. Tomorrow, I'm looking for another good day for me, or at least just by a little bit. We'll see what happens. It is Thursday, Thursday and Friday. I'm expecting them to be good. Hopefully, no surprises. Apple was kind of flat, I think. Let me check real quick. How did Apple do? Yeah, Apple is pretty flat. I'm not running a short on Apple right now, so it has my permission to go up. It is allowed. I'm allowing Apple to appreciate in value. I think some people are worried about tariffs and for China and all that stuff. I know some of their products got excluded out of the tariffs, so Apple's benefiting a little bit of that. But the phone was not one of them, I think, which is their main product and how they get people into the Apple services, which is how they make a lot of their revenue too. So we'll see what happens with that. I'm not sure on it though. I'm allowing it to appreciate now. So go ahead, Apple. You can go to a million if you want. No hate. In the meantime, I'm just browsing and searching for trades. So with that said, peace out.